Is it recommended for Imam to announce prior to commencing the prayer that there will be a Sajdah Tilawah in first and second Rakah? And is the temporary sitting, the Jalsa Iftirash, applicable when it comes after Sajdah?
This is the second question, the only one. Is that what to do
It's
with
just, yeah, it's linked. Can the Imam announce the Sajdah Tilawah in first Rakah or Sajdah Tilawah in second Rakah?
And then second question was the second.
Because it's after the Sajdah Tilawah in the Salah, is there Iftirash and then standing up?
Right, Sujood Tilawah, we say always recommended for the Imam to remove the elements that would cause fitna and chaos. Always. Okay? So for example, let's say the Imam, he knows more than one recitation. And the people don't know about this. And he came to a masjid where they are used to hafs. And he started reciting warsh. And he's reciting a surah which everybody knows. He's going to confuse the people. It's not correct. But if the person is known for his recitation, and the people are not going to be sort of baffled with this recitation because they know he's a reciter. Otherwise, you're going to do like this. This man, he came from nowhere to us, from Germany. First time, and he was reciting a Susi, I can't remember, one of the recitations, Susi, I think. And when I went to the internet, he was reciting the same surah everywhere he goes. So I call this showing off. When he recited, he stand with the Fatiha. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Not عليهم. One of those who not even can't recite the Fatiha properly, he said, Wallah, he said to me, I almost corrected him. I almost corrected him. This person who's listening to me, his name is Abu Suhaib. They almost corrected him. But then remember, Imam Abu Suhaib, he just made him to be an Imam, so that means he knows. But I was not really happy with that. You don't know, people don't know you. You suddenly, they don't know you at all. They've never seen you. You go and give them a recitation like this. We call them, surprise them, shock them. That's not Sheikh Al-Bani saying, yafja'uhum. That's not correct. So, if there is any way of the Imam eliminating these things, yes, tell the people that Sujood Tilawah is better. I wouldn't say there's a sunnah, but it's better to eliminate because you're going to confuse, especially if you have two floors where more than people can't see you. And I would recommend for you not to recite a surah that's got a sajda, or to recite the sajda but without sujood tilawah. You're not really teaching the people because they don't know, especially when you're going to say takbir. They're going to say to you, what happened to you? Did you die? Whenever there's no Allahu Akbar. Jalsat al-iftirash. That means they sit like they sit the way in the tashahhud. You make sujood tilawah. Not jalsat, you mean jalsat al-istiraha, not al-iftirash. Jalsat al-istiraha. It's called rest, sitting of rest. Okay? Always when we sit to get up, we do sit at the rest. Always sitting in the rest. This is just a small sitting just to make sure that we are going to go up, not like from the floor like we go into the gym. No, we relax and then we go up. That's the best thing. Now.